Yet another daring Beryllium robbery in Mandeville, Manchester, as the police have stated that they have made a significant breakthrough within the case within less than 24 hours. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Let's Talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Let's Talk. So a daring attack in the town of Mandeville, Manchester on Friday afternoon sent commuters covering for cover after gunmen traded bullets with security guards at the Scotia Bank located on Ward Avenue.
No, no, brother, and get flat. You know, see, man, I'm a pump rifle, man, I'm a rifle, man, I'm a M16. I'll be a two gun, man, I'm a truck, brother, I'm blind. No, they might come like a shoot to bomb.
The Deputy Commissioner of Police, Mr. Fitzbailey, said that based on initial information, the 2 bags of cash were taken and 3 persons were shot and injured. The injured persons were reportedly bystanders at the location during the robbery and the shooting. Mr. Bailey also stated that a policeman that was in the area private motor vehicle was also damaged during the shooting. The police are so far investigating the matter and have so far launched a manhunt for those responsible for this latest robbery within the town. But when we look on what is going on in our wonderful country, it's very sad to see how these young individuals do not want to work. They only want the fast way out, which is to rob innocent individuals who are carrying out their day-to-day life. When we look on this spate of robberies that have been taking place over the past few months, it just goes to show you how heinous these criminals are getting and how heartless and cold they are. It's a very sad situation when we look on the young youths of our nation who should be helping in nation building, and they just want to turn to a life of crime. Based on what I've observed over the past few months or leading into the years right now, it's very evident that most of these individuals, they don't want to work, they do not want to get a 9-to-5 job, and most of them, you could hear them stating in videos posted on social media that we're 9-to-5 ago, which clearly states that they do not want to work a 9-to-5 job. But it's very unfortunate to see how these individuals are turning to the life of crime. And the thing about it is that they are fueling so much crime with these proceeds that they are getting from these heinous robberies that have been taking place over the past few months, and they are using these proceeds from criminal activities, especially when they go on these big heists, in order to fuel their criminal activities across the island. It's very unfortunate to see though how these individuals have turned to this type of lifestyle, and in most cases they either end up behind bars or 6 feet under, which is very sad. But the government, I believe, need to really pass some real serious laws when it comes on to these criminal activities. This is the only way that I believe that the government is going to be able to curtail crime and violence that has wreaking havoc on the nation. So many innocent people have lost their life in daring robbery attempts and even robberies that have been executed by individuals known to them. It just goes to show you that right now we're living in a very serious time and you can't trust anyone, especially when it comes on to your finances. So I have an update to provide you with in relation to this said case that I'm talking about. So within less than 24 hours, the police have provided a statement in the matter and have stated so far that they have arrested a suspect in the case. So the police have held a suspect in Friday's robbery of the Beryllium Limited security team at the Scotiabank in Mandeville, Manchester. So according to police, the suspect was traveling in a black Toyota Wish motor car, which was intercepted about 1:30 a.m. on Saturday morning. The vehicle was intercepted along the Four Paths Main Road in Clarendon in the vicinity of Sunset Boulevard. The police have also reported that one 9mm magazine, one M16 magazine, two AK-47 rounds, and a ski mask were reportedly recovered from the vehicle. The police have also reported that a Beryllium security guard and two bank employees are being questioned in connection with the case. It is also understood that the vehicle had mismatched registration plates belonging to a man of a St. Catherine address. Reports according to the police are that sometime after 5 p.m., gunmen armed with high-powered weapons attacked the Beryllium security team. At least 4 gunmen were involved in the attack according to the police. Amateur videos of the incident have been circulating on social media showing 2 armed men with high-powered weapons making their escape with 2 bags containing cash. It is believed that the gunmen were traveling in 2 separate motor vehicles, one believed to be a Mark X motor car and a black Toyota Wish motor car, which was very evident in one of the videos. So according to the police, acting on information, they intercepted a black Toyota Wish motor car that had a license plate 7055 KK to the front of the car and 9884 HE to the rear of the car, driven by a man known as Mr. Watson, OC Stinger, age 25 years old, and is said to be a career criminal of 5 Hamilton Drive in Maypen, who was also believed to be involved in the August 25, 2023 robbery at Scotiabank in Mandeville, Manchester. The police have stated that they have so far recovered some ammunition from the vehicle that, as I previously stated, and also some cash within the vehicle. The documents found in the vehicle reveal that the above-mentioned car is owned by an individual from North in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine, and also the correct license plate for the car should be 3406JM, and also this car is registered to 95 Olympic Way in Kingston 11. It is a car rental company of choice according to the police, said to be used by criminal elements within the Clarendon area, as seen in other previous cases. It is also believed that Mr. Watson is a getaway driver for criminal elements in the part of the larger syndicate of criminals that operate across the parish. So far, the police are still carrying out their investigation in order to ascertain the others involved, but the large sum of cash that was actually taken from the bank have not yet been recovered. When we look on these criminal activities that are taking place across the country with these banks and also these places that are being robbed and these Beryllium vehicles that are being holed up, it's very clear that these individuals, they have some inside information working with. These are just not just some random attacks that have been taking place, and they are becoming more frequent, no more than ever, and more daring when we look on these criminal activities that have been taking place. These are happening broad daylight in front of commuters, in front of children, in front of different people going about their day-to-day life. And most of the time you can just be at the wrong place at the wrong time. So you just have to be very vigilant when you're out there. And once you see anything such as this taking place, you just have to take cover and retreat from that area as quickly as possible, because these individuals, they do not value life, and you could just be caught in a situation where you're just at the wrong place at the wrong time, based on what happened to these individuals who were at the bank carrying out their lawful business when they were caught in a heated exchange between security guards and these individuals who wanted and eventually escaped with a large sum of cash. You have to remain vigilant of your surrounding, especially when you're carrying out business transaction which involve large sums of cash, and also even when you're in the vicinity of these security companies that are replenishing these machines with cash, and also just the fact when they're taking in money from business places. You just have to be very observant, because you don't know when these individuals will strike, and they're coming with high powered weapons bigger than the ones that the security guards are carrying. And that is also another issue. I really think that they need to equip the security guard with some higher power weapons in order to put up a fight against these individuals, because the gun that these individuals are carrying, the security guards do not stand a chance with them, even though most of the time it's very evident that there's individuals, they are getting some inside help and inside information before they carry out these robberies. However, despite everything that happened, no one lost their life yet. So I hope that those that were injured at this location, they can make a speedy recovery and just move on from here. This is where I believe I'm going to leave this story for now. I'll continue to update you as more information become available to me, and just continue to watch this channel for the latest. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Thanks for watching.